कर सकते, we don't mind. कर सकते. हो गया? I'll give it to you. First of all, first things first. Rana bhai, tell us. You know, we know आप इंडस्ट्री के सबसे तगड़े यार हो, but आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? Are you like वो that one of those dhootas जो यहाँ आके इस फिल्म में सबसे ज़्यादा विश्वास करते हैं? So you come here in that capacity. Like what are you doing? Are you acting in this movie?
No, all the 12 people are already picked before the casting call. So no, I'm not in this.
Okay. So you're like co-producing this movie or something?
No man, it's really expensive film. So there is a man called Mr. Ashwini Dutt. He's producing the film. He is the most prolific man, so he's the producer of the film.
Got it. So in that case, are you like co-directing it or something? कुछ तो?
So I'm actually something close, not co-directing it, but I went to school with the director from first grade. So hence that's my connection to the film.
Okay.
And I went to war school with the star in this film, Prabhas.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fighting for 6 years. So that's the real relation that I have with this film.
Right.
And I think if someone in my street is making something that is the most amazing thing that can change what cinema did one more time, I think I have to be part of it.
And he's always there. Give it up for Rana Daggubati, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. And मैंने आपका गुस्सा भी देखा है, of course, when you talk about Prabhas sir and वो जो हमने battle देखी हुई है. So I'll take your leave. Over to you. Give it up for Rana, ladies and gentlemen, one more time.
All right, hello, thank you. So let me begin. Sometimes it's just fun going to school with some smart kids. Though you didn't study, they end up doing things like this. So the first person I'm going to introduce on this stage is, like alphabets start with A and B, and my introduction to Hindi cinema happened with the letters A and B, and with the man that carries A and B to the finest. Ladies and gentlemen, and AV on, the Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, please. Welcome, sir. Very well, sir. Thank you. Wow. That is probably the most amazing look of yours that I've seen in a long time. And the look you entered with has nothing to do with that. So tell us about Nagashwin and tell us about Kalki.
Just as much as what you just said. It's just that I didn't go to school with him. But it's been a great honor to have worked in this product, and there are many things that I'd like to ask Nag and the rest of the cast and the crew, but we'll get time for that a little later on. It's been a truly wonderful experience to have worked in a setup where they've actually gone beyond thinking what most of us have been doing all our lives in this film industry. And I really appreciate the fact that you're moving a little ahead of times and making us a part of that and making us work in conditions that we never ever thought we would be able to work in. So I want to congratulate Nag and the production for thinking something like this film, and a great honor for me to be a part of it.
Thank you, sir. Adi. Now, name of Mr. Kamalasan, please. Sir, you are our encyclopedia, and with so much filmography, you still have newer looks and newer performances coming. How is that even possible?
It's possible because of good technicians and good directors. Otherwise, I think I'm enjoying it more now.
And what's your experience with Nagashwin and with this white crew?
I was curious to begin with. I was for surprise, and then I'm in awe. That's the stage.
If you would take a seat, we will have the others of your lovely cast
Whoa.
on the stage and we'll come back.
Hi.
Welcome to Bombay again.
Thank you.
So, dude, we came here like almost 7 years ago on that first flight. Tell me what's different from then and now.
Nothing. I'm saying it's just the same way. So yeah, first time when I came, like you really helped me. I was like, oh, please help. What should I do? What should I talk? And you know, yeah, the video was very sweet. Then you know, thanks a lot. Yeah.
Awesome, man. Please take a seat and.
हो गया देखा इनको इतना सही होता है नहीं बोल सकते हो थैंक यू
You're still in character.
I mean, the movie went on for about 3 years, so I was like, why not? Just a few months more.
So Nagi's really pushed you into being a method actor now.
I mean, clearly.
So tell us a little quickly about Nagi and then we'll come back to this.
If Nagi opens his mouth and speaks, I'll be able to tell you a little bit about Nagi. But no, I think it's been an incredible experience. I think a great learning experience. I think, like Mr. Bachchan said, I think a completely new world. And I think we went through different phases of discovering what this movie was about. But I think the magic that is in Nagi's head is now here finally for everyone to see, and I think we as actors have discovered that along the way. So it's been an incredible experience at both a personal and a professional level.
Awesome.
Thank
Please, ma'am, take a seat. This is my man, over to you. Thank you for this. Thank you so much. Very small word. And encyclopedia also felt like a silly word once I said it. In your plethora of cinema, you've watched so many filmmakers grow, create different roles with you. This was science fiction, and it had mythology in its play, and it had a filmmaker who was really young. And if all of you know the looks of Nagi, he doesn't look anything like a filmmaker. I'll tell you a truth, today he's actually a lost kid from Shambhala who grew up in Hyderabad. So how did he actually narrate this to you, sir, and what was your reaction?
I'm used to these kind of.
So,
First, thank you.
We touch each other's feet. Never allows me to do that, but it was being honest.
it's all writing you, bro. You see that? You see that? He's pulling it right now. He's my friend's an introvert, sir. He's very all powerful in the movies, but he's really an introvert in the street now.
But what's wrong with touching his feet?
Tell me, boss, what's up? How is it working? I think Ryan on each.
So thank Butler and Nagi for giving me an opportunity. Such greatest visions. It's like bigger than dream. I don't know what to say. It was the first time with Sir and I touched his feet. He said, if you do it, I'll do it. Sir, please. I can't even think. We grew up watching my uncles had your hairstyle. He's the first actor in the country who reached every part of the country. South, North, we all know in Telugu, Tamil, you know, we saw Amitabh Bachchan hairstyle, that hairstyle tall. Any tall people, they call Amitabh Bachchan. In South, he's the first actor I think who reached that. Tamil sir, When this Sagar Sangam came, I asked my mother, I want this dress. My cousins, they had a tummy, and they used to put a cloth on his stomach and they used to act in front of us. See, and I'm working with them.